Here they are. Mama cat. She has 6 kittens. They are 4 weeks and 1 day old. There's this one with the heart on its front left paw. I really don't know what his sex is or her sex is, but I think that's a girl. There's Mama. And there's 6 toes. There's 2 kittens with 6 toes, and they look the same, more or less. There's one that looks just like Mama. That's the one with the heart on the foot. Here's a couple tiger lilies. And this one is kind of mostly black with a little bit of tiger lily stripe. So it's tiger lily too, for the most part. So this is 5 of them. Mama's looking for the 6th one. There it is. Cutie pie. It's another 6 toes. And this is Mama's. So which ones are boys and which one are girls? I think I've found 4 boys, at least. I think I'm going to get some tags and put them around their necks along with bells and figure out which one are boys and which one are girls. Or ribbon or something. I don't know. And there they are. Except one is hiding somewhere. Or maybe behind the couch. So yeah. One right here. She's between my legs, climbing around. She's doing. And she. That's the one that looks like Mama with the heart on the left front paw. It's the only one that looks like it's Mama. Most like it's Mama. There's ones that are white spotted, like this one, and it has a tabby cat color as well as the tuxedo look. These 2 are completely tabby cats. They keep coming all the way up to the camera. And this one there's 2 like this one, and there's 2 like these. And then there's one like this. And there's one more. I don't know where he or she is. But there they are. Oh, there she is, inside the tank. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. They're all here. And there's Mama, ready to nurse. Or clean them up. All right. Until next time.